This video shows you how to use FastMaint's clone function. This can be very useful if you have several very similar parts, equipment, locations, and so on. For example, you have 3 identical pumps. You just need to create the first pump and use the clone function to make 2 copies that you can modify as needed. Though this example is done with the web edition, the interface and steps for standard and professional editions are similar. In this example, we will try to clone an existing pump. On the Main tab in the main home page, click on Equipment. Open the pump we want to clone. Click on the Clone button. Enter the number of clones or copies you want. You can change the name suffix to adjust how the clones are named. Click on the OK button to complete cloning. Once done, return back to the equipment list. You will see the clones you just made. Open them up and make changes as needed. For example, the names, serial numbers, and so on. In a similar way, you can make clones of parts, locations, tasks, and so on.